Hello, I'm Julia and today I'm going to explain the recipe that we will make today. They are called patacones and it is a type of apple cider that is very common in Ecuador. I will start by cutting the green banana, removing the skin. It is usually not difficult to remove the skin if you do it the right way. After cutting the banana, we will put oil in frying pan and heat it over high heat. Then we will wash the bananas and then dry them. Next, we will cut the banana into medium slices and then we will check if the oil has high temperature to fry the bananas. If the oil is at correct temperature, we will fry them on both sides. Later, we are going to crush the slices that are already fried a little with the help of a cup, and we will do this with all the slices. After this, we will fry the slice again until they are a little golden. And we will finish by putting salt to taste on top.